I just love my beautiful red hair. Oh, hi everybody. This is Fun with Tab. And you're probably wondering, why is Fun with Tab wearing a red wig? Well, guess what? One of my favorite holidays is suddenly approaching. Can you figure out what it is? That's right, Halloween. Even adults like to dress the part. And Halloween is one of my favorite holidays because we give out candy. And kids love candy. But guess what? Adults love to give the kids the candy. We can do math with Skittles. And we can do a whole lot of math concepts. So what we're going to do is I'm going to open up these 2 packages of Skittles and we're going to compare the differences in these 2 packs because we want to see if these 2 packs have the same amount of Skittles inside of them and the colors. Do you think they're going to have the same amount of Skittles and colors in each pack? Well, come on closer so we can find out together.
Baba Tab, did you take my Skittles?
Yes, yeah. I did. I'm using it to explain some math.
All right, then go ahead.
That was close. Come on closer so we can get a close-up on these delicious Skittles. Yes. All right, let's get started. I have opened up package A, and I've already sorted these Skittles according to their colors inside of package A. So let's see what we can do, what math concept we can do with these Skittles. One, we can find out how many we have of each color. So, as you look at the Skittles in package A, how many of them were green? That's right, 5. How many of them were purple? Again, 5. Good job. How many were orange? That's right, 1. How many were red? Again, just 1. And finally, how many of them were yellow? That's right, just 2. One of the easiest math concepts we can do by using Skittles is to find how many Skittles do we have in all, or what is the total amount of Skittles I see in package A. So how can we find that answer? That's right, we have to add. And what are we going to add? We're going to add 5 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 to find the total of Skittles in package A. So let's figure it out. So how many Skittles are in package A? That's right, 14 Skittles are in package A. Great job. Now, let's see how many Skittles there are in package B. There are 3 green Skittles, 2 purple Skittles, 3 orange Skittles, 2 red Skittles, and 4 yellow Skittles. So we can assume that all of these packages have different amount of green, purple, orange, red, and yellow Skittles. Good observation. So, how many Skittles were there in package B? That's right. It still add up to 14. So they had the same amount of Skittles in package A and package B, but they had different amount of colors for each Skittles. Now, let's put package A and package B together and think of some other math concepts that we can do with Skittles. You'll be surprised of the many different math concepts you can do just by using Skittles. The easiest math concept with Skittles was the one that we just did, where we just added the amount of Skittles we had in each package. That's one. We can also do bar graph type questions because we have the Skittles are looking like a bar graph. We can also find range, mode, median, and mean by using Skittle math. And we can also do fractions. For example, what fraction of them are green? What fraction of them are purple? What fraction of them are orange? What fraction of them are red? And what fraction of them are yellow? And then, once we can find the fraction, we can also find the percentage of them that are green, purple, orange, red, and yellow. So there are many, many math concepts that we can do using Skittles. Wow, that was fun. The best part about Skittles is what? Eating them. I just love Skittles. So if you enjoyed today's episode of Skittle Math and learned something, please share and subscribe to Fun with Tab, where learning can be meaningful and fun. And in this case, yummy. See you soon.